Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Here is a vegetable-loaded khichdi recipe made with unpolished red rice, mixed lentils and spices. This dish is a healthy, whole-grain, fiber-loaded recipe. I am using Rakthashali, a variety of unpolished red rice for making the khichdi today. Rakthashali red rice variety has innumerable health benefits. It's recommended for pregnant women and lactating mothers. This is one of the rarest varieties that is even mentioned in Ayurveda. Charaka Samhita, a text on Ayurvedic medicine, mentions its healing properties for someone who is anemic. Any unpolished red rice or brown rice variety will work for this recipe. Add the red rice to a bowl. To the rice, add in about quarter cup each of moong dal, toor dal and masoor dal. Wash the rice and lentils well for a couple of times. If you cannot source red rice, brown rice works perfectly fine too. Wash and soak the rice and lentil mixture in water for at least an hour. Soaking the rice is important as unpolished rice needs to be soaked so they cook to a soft texture. Heat coconut oil in a pressure cooker. You can also use ghee instead of coconut oil for a rich khichdi. Add in little cumin seeds, finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger, chopped curry leaves and some asafoetida. Saute for a few seconds so the spices and herbs get toasted in oil. Add the chopped onions to the pan. Add in the chopped green chilies. Saute for a few minutes till the onions are soft. Once the onions are soft, add in the turmeric powder and the red chili powder. Saute for a few seconds for the spice powders to get nicely roasted in oil. Now add in the chopped tomatoes. Add in the salt along. Salt will help the tomatoes sweat and cook faster. Saute for a few minutes till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. We will be using about 3 cups of vegetables today. I have used a combination of roughly chopped spinach, chopped carrots, chopped green beans, some potatoes. Potatoes add a nice texture and flavor to your khichdi, so definitely use some potatoes. And finally, some chopped radish. The kind of vegetables you use is completely up to you. Add the veggies to the pan and mix well so the masalas coat the veggies evenly. Add in about 5 cups of water and mix well to combine. After mixing well, wait for the water to come to a slow boil. Once the water comes to a boil, add in the soaked and drained rice and lentil mixture. Mix once. Cover the pressure cooker and add in the weight. Cook for 20 minutes. After the first whistle, reduce the flame to low and cook for the remaining time. Ignore the number of whistles. Cooking on a low flame is important so the khichdi does not scorch at the bottom. After the set time, wait for the pressure to settle naturally. Once the pressure settles, open the cooker and mix well to combine. The rice and lentil mixture should be cooked to a soft and creamy consistency. The khichdi will slightly thicken up as it cools. Now let's do a quick tempering for the khichdi. Heat ghee in a small kadai and add in chopped garlic, sliced shallots and curry leaves. Saute till the shallots are golden and crisp. At this stage, switch off the flame and add in some Kashmiri red chili powder. Let the chili powder bloom in hot oil for a few seconds. Add in the hot tempering to the khichdi. Our super healthy vegetable khichdi is now ready. Serve hot. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off. and happy cooking. Bye bye.